Welcome to ZincU Aluminum's channel. Today, we would like to introduce you to an amazing and innovative product, the aluminum U-shaped glass railing. Choosing a quality railing is crucial in home design. Aluminum U-shaped glass balusters not only meet the need for practicality, but also add a different kind of beauty to your space. Here are the features of our products. 1. Lightweight and strong. Made of aluminum alloy, lightweight but strong and durable, worry-free for long-term use. 2. Anti-corrosion and durable. Excellent anti-corrosion performance. Adapt to various indoor and outdoor environments, and keep beautiful for a long time. 3. Easy to install. Simple and easy to install. Save time and labor costs. Quickly create the ideal railing. 4. Convenient maintenance. With simple maintenance methods, it is easy to keep the railing clean and bright. 5. Beautiful decoration. Exquisite appearance. Good decorative effect. Improve the quality of space. Show unique charm. No matter how beautiful the interior decoration is, passers-by can't see it from the outside. As a window, balcony decoration is a place to show the style of family decoration to people. The beauty of family decoration depends entirely on the balcony guardrail. Therefore, it is very important to choose what kind of handrail to decorate the balcony. Compared with traditional guardrails, glass balcony handrails have rich colors, which can meet the different personalized needs of decoration users, and also make people bright in front of their eyes. Stop and watch, attracting the eyes of many decoration enthusiasts, adding luster to family decoration and playing a decoration effect. Aluminum U-shaped glass railing adds a modern and secure feel to your space and makes your home design perfect. Choose quality. Choose beauty. Choose aluminum U-shaped glass railing for your home life. Whether it's a private home or a commercial location, aluminum U-shaped glass railing is an excellent choice to create a sophisticated and secure spatial experience for your environment.